how to cancel your Polybuzz AI subscription. So you can directly do it through your Google Pay by canceling it there. So what you can do is go to your Play Store in your phone or your device, and then you'll have to hidden towards the settings option at the top right. So once you're in the settings, you will be able to see payments and subscriptions. So simply press there. So once you're in payment and subscription, you will simply have to select the subscription. So you can select the subscriptions and you will be listed with the subscription you have made. So here it reads active, that is the Polybuzz chat with AI friends, and that is my current subscription for Polybuzz AI. So if you want to go ahead cancel it, simply press there, and once you press there, you can simply select the options for updating and setup and different other things. You can simply press on cancel subscription. So once you press on cancel subscription, it will ask you for a reason for your canceling or reason for cancellation of that subscription. You'll either keep the subscription from this step, or you'll either cancel the subscription. So simply press on cancel the subscription, and once you cancel the subscription, the Polybuzz AI your subscription will be cancelled, and your app will be refreshed accordingly. So that's how you do it. Hopefully the information was helpful. Thank you.